Good afternoon, guys. Today I have an affordable alternative to AirPods by Blitzwolf BW-FYE2. Actually, this product is not a new release, but still one of the best. I have been using this for a month, and after a month, I am going to tell you my experiences as a real world user, and this is not a promotional video. Let's unbox it. When you open the box, you get the user manual. There is only one thing that is very useful in this user manual, which I am going to explain you in this video, because I have that issue and it took some time to figure it out, but now I am just going to show you simply how you can fix that. And when we take our AirPod alternatives out, there is one piece of plastic cover, Blitzwolf, the charging port, and our earpods. See, as long as you take it out from the box, they are automatically activating and pairing each other. And if you can see, each blinks means 25% of charge, which means at the moment my charging pod is 100% charged, and the earpods also 100% charged, and the battery capacity of the charger is 500 milliamp hours, and each pod has 50 milliamp hours of battery, which means you can charge your earpods 5 times with this one, and each charge provides you 2.5 hours of usage for these earpods, which means the total usage time is approximately 15 hours, and in the real world it's not 15. On my experiences it is like 13 hours, which is quite enough for me. And when I go outside to a coffee shop and making my edits on my MacBook, I am using these earpods, and these are quite loud enough that because there are lots of people and they are chatting, they don't disturb me while I am using this. What else we have? We also have the charging cable. It's a simple USB, micro USB charging cable. And you have 4 extra pods, which is very nice. Okay, let me show you how to connect this to your device. I'm going to show you on the MacBook because when you use it on the computer, there is an issue you can only get while you are using these on computer. So I'm going to show you how to fix them. And I'm also going to play this song while trying it. Okay, first, system preferences, Bluetooth, and as you can see, BW-FYE2 is already listed here, so I am going to remove it. Okay, it's removed. How it works? We open the box, take them out, and wait. See, it instantly came to connection list, and we say connect, and I'm going to keep them close if you can hear while it says connected. I am not sure if you can hear it, but it says connected. Now it is connected, What you need to be careful before using these earpods, go to System Preferences, Sound menu, and you see here, let me get it closer, maybe you cannot see it. See the balance. Once I was using it, suddenly the one pod stopped working and I kept searching and I found out that this balance stick was on the left and the right was not working. But if it's on the right, the left one is not going to work. So you need to keep this at the center, balanced. And also for the input, it is same. Okay, output, and it came. Now I would like to make you listen how it sounds. YouTube audio library, and let's hear how they sound. The sound is actually really powerful. Of course, not the best, not the same quality like the Apple AirPods, but these are very capable alternatives, very affordable alternatives to the Apple's AirPods, and I am very happy with them. So if you would like to get these pods for yourself, you can find it in the description. And there is one more issue that I would like to inform you. Okay, let's say while you are using them and pressing these buttons, you messed up with the settings. You know, when your phone ringing, you can just answer it with one touch, one click. And if you would like to reject it, you can just keep pressing like 2 seconds and it rejects the call. But sometimes you mess up with the settings and one of the pods or both of them are not working. So what are you going to do on that situation? Place your earpods into charger and keep pressing on both buttons for 5 seconds and you will hear a beep sound. I'm not sure if we can hear it from here. Let's try. See, there's a beep sound and there are lights on both parts. Then take them out together and make double click at the same time. And your problem solved. And again, check your device if it's still connected. Bluetooth. See, it says they are not connected. Now let's remove it. And yes, it came again. I don't even need to put them in again into charger. Say connect. Yes, it says connected. Do you hear that? And let's try again. And let's check the sound menu again. See, balanced, and we have a very powerful sound. Okay guys, this is all I can tell you about these earpods, and I explain you the only issue that you can get with this cheap Blitzwolf earpods and how to fix them. Again, if you would like to get one of these for yourself, you can find the links into description. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good day.